Hey y'all, it's Neesha here, and I want to share 3 of my favorite synthetic faux puffs, faux ponies, whatever you like to call them, that will help you slay during your Zoom holiday parties. So stay tuned. Hey y'all, this is my bald headed scallywag. I ain't got no hair in the back look. Anywho, I just want to show this first ponytail. This is the Outre 4C Coily. I've had this one for quite a little while. I think since like 3 years ago. I actually have a video on my channel about this wig. It's cute. It's the drawstring, has 2 combs, and it is big, beautiful hair, and you can find it on sammysbeauty.com. So since my hair is bald headed in the back, I just cut it. I'm going to show all of these ponytails with a different headscarf for the girls who, can't get their hair in a ponytail like me. It was a struggle. Okay. So this is just a quick little way that I tie my scarves. I got this one from a local store in my local mall last year sometime, and they were so inexpensive. They were like, what, 3 for $10 or something, which for this size, come on, the wrap life could never, but it's all good. I love it. So that's the first one. It's cute. I wouldn't say it's 4C necessarily, but it's close enough. I did pick it out, finger combed it to get that texture. So the second wig is the second ponytail is one of my faves. This is by the Toni Tail of ToniTail.com, and she has a YouTube channel. This is the Toni Tail. So this is very similar to her Toni wig. It has 2 combs and a drawstring. And I love this because I like the texture. It's kind of like a twist out or a Bantu knot out texture. Of course, you can cut it down some, which I have, but I like this a lot. It's big, it's bodacious, it's cute. Okay. So, yeah, I really, really like this one. I have this, and I have 2 of her wigs, and those earrings that I have on in this video, yeah, those are from ToniTail.com as well. Can't go wrong with it. Can't go wrong with it. So here she is. Look at that texture, honey. Ah, I love it. I love it. Love it. So this scarf is from the same local vendor in the mall. Again, it was like 3 for $10, or it was something like that. It was the price. I like the wrap life, but the price is $25, $35, $45. Nah, I'm good. So yeah, give me $5, $10. They could charge what they charge, but I like a price like this because it's the same length and size as the one that I have from the wrap life. But it was way less expensive. So I actually got my friend a few as well. I told her the price. She was like, girl, let me know. So I went in the store and I filmed in there, FaceTimed her so she could see all what they have. And then I mailed them to her because she knows that was a good price too. Okay. So this is just a little way that I tie. I do a little donut. Yes, cute. That's cute. And the last one is big and bodacious too. I wore this last year for New Year's Eve. I saw this on Chizzy Doro, I believe is her name. I like her. She had this big, gigantic Afro puff in one of her videos, and she linked it. I got it from Amazon. It is so big. Like, it's huge. I love it though. It's a great price. They have different colors, and this is by Outre as well. I don't know if I said that, but yeah, it's like I was filming myself and I was listening to 90s music, so I was kind of turned up. Do people still say that? I don't know, but I do. Anyways, don't mind, I got little imperfections, like, okay, texture, hello, textures. I also picked this out. It doesn't, all the way match my, I'm a mess. It doesn't all the way match my 4C texture, but she gives what she needs to give, okay? And this is a shorter scarf that I have. It's like a half a yard. Instead of the full yard of the other 2. And with these little babies, I just do like a little tie it twice, tuck it situation, and it gives, it does what it's supposed to do for me. And I got this from eBay. I'll link them down below, the shorter ones. And I believe I have a site for the longer ones as well. But yeah, so those are the 3 for your Zoom holiday parties. Bye.